Hello, this is Darren Martineau with Team Freedom. In this video, I am showing you what I'm doing with some viral videos. This is on one of my YouTube channels. I have 46,000 views, as you can see here. I have another one with 29,000 views. And this one that I only put up a week ago has got 8,000 views on it. And I've got many other videos here with thousands of views. And all these thousands of views adds up to drive traffic to my website. So if you'd like to learn how to do this, if you'd like to learn how to do video marketing and all kinds of marketing, simply put in your name and email, and then I want you to double opt in. I want you to verify with your best email, and I'm going to give you access to the Team Freedom funnel, where I'm going to show you how to get unlimited website traffic to any website. I also show you how to make money online and create multiple income streams, and I show you all of our multiple incredible systems we have. So for a limited time, I'm allowing people to come in for free. This is going to be a paid program. It's going to be thousands of dollars. It's a massive system. So join Team Freedom today, and I'll see you on the inside, and I'll show you how to do this. Thank you.